What do you think about if you buy a lotto? Anything we can bust in at that moment?
Look here, that name gambling no good.
Jesus Christ.
You there, Panny?
Those numbers for you 17,
You there, Panny?
22,
Hold on.
1, 19.
What you there, Panny, for you?
This is a win. It's me outside. Christ.
Yo, hold on.
So now give me a ticket, bro. I'm ready to cash it out and just link my dog. Me all kind of got town to brother.
Yeah, we'll keep it safe.
Joel, come with think of it. You know, so I feel like you send man for go rap Andre.
That Mali brother have a ticket.
Yeah. So what you know? Yeah, I say. Oh, yeah, and David and go pay him.
he make your brother go and hold off a ticket.
So why him never make you and go cash out the money? My brother generally, you know?
Right now, two I go at them, I was hell right now and lift up something for go for him.
Lift up what?
If gambling did good, Jesus would not go in that church, just turn over a table when the people them in there a gamble and beat them. You didn't know say Jesus when them a walk on earth and beat people.
I'll cash it out and buy a grocery.
You cash out what?
I need some money rob me.
You want in a rich shirt?
Yeah.
What Malik can do for you?
What do you mean by what Malik can do for me? Malik is a trying youth. He might try.
Find yourself one chopper man.
Listen, man, I would just calm down, take your time, breathe off for the ticket, plan out what we are do, and then after we can just do what we are do.
Yeah, dog. Remember, I have protect on the dog. I remember my sister done the dog already, you know, man. I buy a 2019 Voxy bus, and I'm at half of some hours as well. I finish my fish next.
What?
Yo.
Brother. And me didn't want the ticket and you tell me so me not fi have it. And you gonna get Joel ticket?
Bro, make sure you know I don't know set up this side. Because I don't lose my life over no lotto ticket, you know.
Wanna win cash pot or lotto? Which one?
Lotto.